This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Angela Clark and Tina Shank. The Pinnacle. Highly sought after community in Eastlake Woodlands with maintenance-free homes and a community pool. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a 2-car garage. The kitchen is light and bright and has an eat-in space in the kitchen. Separate formal areas with living room/dining room combo. The master bedroom is large and has a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. Split bedroom floor plan. Updates include new vinyl wood flooring and new vanity in second bathroom. New roof 2019. Eastlake Woodlands is a gated community with 24/7 manned security. With membership, Eastlake Country Club includes 2 renowned golf courses, resort-like pools, tennis, clubhouse and fitness center. Eastlake Woodlands is centrally located to all Tampa Bay has to offer. Enjoy dining, shopping and highly rated schools. A short drive will take you to all area beaches, sports, activities and the Tampa International Airport.